Okay, let's say that you're a neurosurgeon or an orthopedic surgeon in Greensboro, North Carolina, and you want to connect with personal injury attorneys to work with new cases, work with new patients. How are you going to use LinkedIn to do that? Let me show you. Okay, so after we log into LinkedIn, we're going to go to Sales Navigator, and you'll need to sign up for a premium account, and I'll show you the benefit of getting that premium account. So once I get into Sales Navigator and click on Lead Filters here, and the search keywords, I'm going to do personal injury attorney. Search here. This is going to give me a lot of results. Maybe about, let's see here. Okay, so 2 million. So I want to narrow that down. So I'm going to do second degree connections and third degree connections. First degree connections, we already know. Second and third are going to be the connections of our first three connections that would be potential referral partners for us, and we can work with other personal injury attorneys. Geography, let's just do Greensboro, new postal code. Greensboro, North Carolina. I'm going to pick this zip code. I'm going to do 50 miles. All right, and then for current job title, I'm going to add attorney. Include. And this should give us 1,500 results. So I'm going to collapse this. And now I can see, okay, so here is the personal injury attorneys. So we have Greensboro, Bain, Winston-Salem. And we can go into this list here. Let's just say we want to talk to John Ward. I can send him a connection message here, and I can send him a personal message. I can also send in a message on LinkedIn InMail, subject, and say I'm looking to connect with personal injury attorneys. And we can do this for up to 1,500. So we can scroll down other attorneys, Chapel Hill, more attorneys, estates attorneys. So this one we wouldn't contact unless they do personal injury law as well. And we're going to go through here, and these are going to be all the leads that we can reach out to. Now, this is something easy that anyone can do, neurosurgeon, orthopedic surgeon, is more than qualified. Or this is a service that my company offers as well, where we go in and we do the messaging for you. We reach out to these referral partners, make the connections, set up phone calls for you. All you have to do is show up for the phone call, build the connections. And you can see there's a lot of attorneys that we can connect you with. Thanks for watching.